Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chance Gonnam, and I'm excited to be running this call for you today. Now, this call is primarily for my students, but for anybody in the Forex markets that wants to take advantage of learning how to chart up their charts and what to look for going into the London session tonight, the Asian session, and possibly even New York session tomorrow morning. So if you're looking for trade setups, if you're looking for different opportunities, make sure you click the subscribe button. I'm going to do my best to bring you one or two of these videos per day, giving you trade setups all throughout the Forex week. So guys, with that being said, let's head over to the chart. So I'm going to share my screen right here. Head over. Here's a chart that I want you guys to take advantage of. This is NZD CAD. This is the trade that we took and made money on last night on swipe trades. I want everybody to copy over this harmonic scan. Please, please, please. Pause this right now. Go to your NZD CAD. Copy over this harmonic scan. Put on this pitchfork. This pitchfork is rock solid. Rock solid, guys. This pitchfork's been made us money right here. Caught us, almost. It caught us 2% on swipes last night. And then when you look up here, it's making more moves, coming back up to these other levels. So with that being said, make sure you guys are keeping an eye over there on that. Now, let me drag over here. We have the NZD CAD, not swipe, the NZD CAD, chart right here. There it is. Here it comes. Here it comes. Right back here. Right there. There we go. So this is the scan that it came from. But when you check over here, let's see what else we got. We got GBP AUD. Let's see if we got another fresh scan that we can mark up. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. I don't like this scan, guys. So just so you understand why I don't like this scan, I'm not going to draw a pitchfork on it because right there, it has not hit entry point yet. It has not made it down to the entry point. It is not a trade that I want to look at taking. So I'm all good on that. Let's see what else. EuroCAD. What's EuroCAD got for us? Does it have a nice setup? It does. It does. It has a decent little setup here. So let's see what this looks like. It's a little different looking one, but we are going to we're going to try to mark it up. Let's see what it can give us. So let's hop over here. For some reason, my trading view disappeared, so I'm going to pop that up real quick. All right, so turning our attention over here, let's check out the scan. So we do have the scan over here on EuroCAD for the buy. It went right off this buy point. Let me find these on here. This is the hour chart, so I'm going to go like this. Find the hourly chart, which we're on right here, and realize that this is a pretty small scan. So let me try, or maybe it's a bigger scan. Let me see. Is it a bigger scan or a smaller scan? Let's figure this thing out. So it's easier normally when you have dual screens. So it's going off that last 1, 2, 3 candlesticks on the buy for EuroCAD. So 1, 2, 3. So it's coming off here. So it is a lot smaller scan. So this is the D point. Now, boom, boom, boom. That makes sense. I see it now. So here's the scan. I believe this is a scan. And let me check. Yes, definitely the scan. Definitely the scan. So that's a scan. So this is a smaller hourly scan. We can still throw a pitchfork on it, see if it confirms, see if it gives us any trade setups. Definitely not my favorite kind of pitchfork, but first one we saw today. So that's what we're going to run with. Right there. So guys, honestly, my favorite move on this, if you're going to copy over this pitchfork and copy everything, is I'm looking for this move right here. Like that kind of move. That's primarily the move I'd like to see, or possibly break out of the zone to the buy side. But I think this is going to be the decision maker right about here for EuroCAD, which happens to be right around London session. So be prepared for this to be coming out on a swipe trade, or hop on IML TV tonight. We are trading live on 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern time, or 8 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to be trading live. So maybe we'll be taking that trade then. Make sure, as always, guys, the most important thing you do when you are marking up your charts, click this save cloud, make sure it saves, make sure it saves. That's weird. I haven't had my volume out of my phone ever. That's funny. But then let's head back over to the scan. So guys, this is how I look for all my trade setups. I just go through the scanner, find the best looking trade setups, and see if there's anything here that I want. UChef did print a scan last night. Interesting. Guys, I'll show you my USD CHF so you guys can copy over that if you want. We did call that trade as well on swipe trades last night. We did get stop profited out, all good, but there was a clean setup. So guys, right here is where we took the trade. right here, right in this spot right here. It looks like it just slammed through, but we were able to get some profits out of that. That's what's crazy when you look at the hourly. When you look at the 15-minute here, we're able to get profits right here. We were in just enough profit so we could walk away and didn't have to take the loss. So that's what's cool about our trading strategy. We never had to take a loss on this trade. We actually made a little bit of money on this little trade here on this little divot because we were so accurate. But here's the harmonic pitchfork that I want you guys to copy over, because this is still accurate. It's still a valid trade, and it's at that 1.00 level, which is a very interesting quarter theory level. It's stalling out right on it. So I would make sure you guys have this harmonic scan on your charts. I would make sure you have this harmonic scan with this best fit. I'm lining it up with these touches here, and I'm lining up with this touch here for my best fit, and it's lining up perfectly. Got touches here as well. Everything's looking solid. Honestly, guys, I can see like this is where it might be being a perfectionist, but what if we go like that? Boom. It's a little bit better. Line it up here for the perfect touch, here for the perfect touch, and it lined it up a little bit smoother up here too, but really line that up with the perfect touch here and there. Ready to rock as long as you copy this over. So I'm going to do one more, guys, one more chart, one more trade that I want you guys to take. Let me just click through, see if I have anything marked up here because I didn't see anything great looking on the harmonics. If you guys do want to take advantage of this, this is just a little crazy. We won't get into that yet. What else we got? Euro CAD. Did we already mark? Yeah, we already marked that one up. That's one we just marked up. Euro JPY we had marked up last night. Yeah, guys, check this Euro JPY out. We should have taken, no, man, that would have gone for the sell too. Interesting. So this actually came back up and held that sell spot. So if you guys want, copy over this scan right here with this best fit pitchfork. Then if you guys want the secret pitchfork that's way back, that's way old, I'll zoom out for you, but good luck finding it. It's going to take you a little while. I'll tell you the date. If you do want this pitchfork, it is still accurate. If you want to come back all the way to November 19th on Euro JPY, November 20th, you're going to find this harmonic scan right here. And the pattern, the scan that we're trading, the pitchfork, is the X to A with a C touch right here. And it almost lines up perfectly with the D touch as well. Comes all the way through here, guys. And look at this pitchfork. Look how accurate it's been for over 3 months. This thing has been traded, been accurate. Look at this perfect trade. You could have taken right off here. Endless of pips off that trade right there. But then oh my goodness, that thing fell forever off that pitchfork. That's insanity. Insanity. How many pips is that? If you would have caught that whole thing. So that this gave a 500, over 500 pip trade. 600 pip trade. That was some Brexit talk. But literally, guys, that fell perfectly off this pitchfork we're watching right here. Look at that. Perfect. Come back over here. It was respected right here, perfect for the sell. It was respected right here, perfect for the sell. It was respected up here. It was respected right here. It was respected right here. And then it's being respected here. So this is a very, very accurate pitchfork. So I go back and screenshot that from November 20th and have that markup ready and have that markup set up for you. Guys, these are the trade setups I'll be looking for going into this session. So make sure you guys keep your eyes on them. Keep your eyes on those we're looking at. Again, I'll just go through. This is Euro JPY, and then we also looked at Euro CAD. So we looked at NZD CAD as well. I showed you guys that one. I showed you guys USD CHF. So I'll mark all these so I know. And then come on IML TV session tonight, 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. And 8 p.m. Eastern time, we'll be trading live. So we'll see how these trade setups are looking around then. I can't find, where's Euro CAD? Euro CAD. Somebody remind me on, oh, here it is. All right, boom, perfect, got them. All right, guys, so those are the pairs that we'll be looking at on IML TV tonight. We'll be setting up more trade setups as well throughout the process. But, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for learning and listening. And we'll be on doing more of these calls here soon. So I'll see each and every single one of you guys at the top. Thank you for watching this entire training. See you on IML TV tonight.